If you ask everyone else before making a decision, this video is for you. Welcome to day 9 in the 30-day self-trust challenge with me, Kathy Richards, registered dietitian. So today we're talking about hunger is not an emergency. Okay? So hunger doesn't mean you failed. It means that your body needs fuel. So if we have panic around hunger, that's a learned behavior. That's not instinctual. Okay. So the invitation for day 9 is to eat at the first gentle sign of hunger once today. Okay. Eat at the first gentle sign of hunger once today. So how would you know? What's an example of a signal from your body that there's some hunger coming? If you start to think about food, that is a good way to guess that your body needs some fuel. So if you find yourself thinking about food, I want you to eat something. If you notice that your energy is low, that can be a sign that your body needs fuel. So if you notice that your energy is low, I want you to eat something. And don't make yourself wrong about what it is that you eat. We're just learning to recognize that hunger is not an emergency. So we're just learning to say, starting to feel hunger. I'm going to eat something and let that be whatever it is. And if today felt hard, if the invitation to eat at the first gentle sign of hunger feels hard, I want you to know that it's okay if hunger feels scary. You're learning something new. Okay? So learning to recognize hunger is part of realizing that hunger doesn't have to be an emergency. Join me tomorrow for day 10 in this 30-day self-trust challenge.